Top 5. Free Image Generator AI. DeepArt.io is a free online platform that uses deep learning algorithms to transform your photos into artistic images. It allows you to apply various artistic styles to your images, inspired by famous paintings or custom styles. DeepArt.io generates visually appealing and unique artworks based on the analyzed content of your input images. Runway ML. Runway ML is a free software platform that enables artists and designers to create and experiment with AI-generated images. It provides a range of AI models and tools, including style transfer, image synthesis, and object generation. With a user-friendly interface, Runway ML empowers users to explore the creative possibilities of AI image generation. ArtBreeder. ArtBreeder is a free online platform that combines the power of deep learning and genetics to generate new and unique images. Users can blend and crossbreed different images to create hybrid visuals. It allows for the exploration of artistic styles, combining elements from various images to produce intriguing and novel results. Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator is a free online tool that applies the Deep Dream technique developed by Google's AI team. Users can upload their images and apply various deep dream filters to transform them into surreal and dreamlike creations. It amplifies patterns and features in the image to generate visually captivating and abstract outputs. AI Painter. AI Painter is a free web application that uses AI algorithms to turn simple drawings or sketches into realistic digital paintings. It offers different painting styles and allows users to experiment with brushstrokes, colors, and other artistic elements. AI Painter provides a simple and accessible way to generate digital paintings from basic input sketches.